So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna go to a place named Tilari and also cover a place named Pargad. Pargad is basically a fort and Tilari happens to be a hill station in Maharashtra. So let's go and check out. So right now we just reached Tilari and we are here at Green Hill Resort, and here I'm with my friends, and the weather is really amazing. So right now, as I told you, I was at Green Valley Resort and my friend Yash, he happens to be the owner of this place, and I'll show you what heaven exactly looks like. In 3, 2, 1, go! So in case you all happen to come to Tilari, that is in Maharashtra, do visit this resort. It's Green Hill Resort, and also he's got a resort named Green Valley. Make sure you visit those. And it's amazing ambience, amazing food. So Yash, thank you. So right now we just wanted to go to a place which was a new place to, like, they were going to see it for the first time. But unfortunately, thanks to Forest Department, it's closed. So we are moving towards the next spot. It's called the Swapnaville Point, and hopefully it's not raining over there because Rakshit has plans of flying the drone. And trust me guys, if he can fly a drone over there,
it's an amazing spot.
No words.
Speechless. See you there.
Yeah, see you there. So, as I told you before, we were supposed to go to a place named Pargad. I don't think we'll be able to make it today because the time is already 4:30 and we need to reach back home. And also, time lapse going on. I'm not sure if that thing is visible to you all. There's amazing clouds movement over there. It's heaven on earth. Trust me, guys, heaven on earth. So right now we just stopped over here to witness this beautiful view. Rakshit, what do you think about this view?
Nice greenery and amazing drone footage here.
That we'll only see when the video
Oh
comes out.
yeah, the spark was running like a cheetah, you know. Like amazing, man.
That is what the confidence, you get the
The
own,
drone photographs.
when you fly your own drone, you have a different level of confidence. So right now we were supposed to go to Swapnaville Point as I told you before, but the time right now is 6 p.m. and if you can see, the road is that steep. That's the road, and we don't want to risk because if it gets dark, it'll be pretty difficult to reach back home. So yeah, right now we're just gonna fly drone over here. So I'm literally sorry guys, I couldn't show you much of Tilari, but whatever you saw, I hope you enjoyed. Right now it's time to fly the drone. It's gone. I'm sorry I couldn't show you these places, but in case you happen to come to Tilari, please do check out Swapnaville Point 1, Tilari Waterfalls and Tilari Dam, and of course the Green Hill Resort. Make sure you visit these places. This is a must. And yeah, that's it for today's vlog. And really a big trip coming up soon. a really big one. And yeah, that's it. In case you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe in case you haven't. Until then, goodbye.